Hello, and welcome to the Creaky Geek channel. Just a note here, I do this work in my carport, so you may hear some odd noises in the background. Best I can do, sorry about that. A little bit of context, why Creaky Geek? I'm a retired IT person. I worked in IT for 35 years, and I'm retired now. And I started doing this little woodworking projects here. I'm making a few cutting boards. And just a note that I wouldn't even consider myself an amateur. I'm more like a novice. But I couldn't find online a decent solution for my the burn marks that my router makes, because first of all, I'm not very good with the router, and second of all, I either was going too fast, or the router was spinning too fast, or I just waited too long to go around the corner. Anyway, I got a burn mark here, and couldn't really find anything online that was viable. I did find some hints from people, and I discovered that using a bit of mineral oil, which I got from Target, and our cup brush, and I have mine on my Dremel, but you could use it probably on your drill and do the same thing. It works really good. It comes off fairly quickly and with very little effort. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to take and I'm going to put a little mineral oil in my little cup here, and I'm just going to dab it on my finger and hit it like that in the corner, and I'm just going to let it sit there for, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. I'm not going to make you wait. I'm just going to put this on pause a minute and come back in about 5 minutes. All right, so why Creaky Geek? Well, obviously the geek part is because I was in IT. The creaky part is because my joints, my bones, my knees, my hips, they all hurt. And I'm not sure if it's from arthritis or early onset rigor mortis. Either way, that's why the name. It's been about 5 minutes now. I'm going to turn on my little machine here, my little Dremel. Start looking at this corner. As you can see, it's starting to disappear already. It's a lovely thing compared to what I was having to do before. Just and sandpaper trying to dig it in there. Never ever got to the bottom of it very quickly. This is like magic for me, and hopefully it works out for you too. And look at that. The burn mark has disappeared. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Just a matter of 5 minutes. Isn't that great? Anyway, like I said, if you like this solution, please press like and subscribe if it's something you want to do. I appreciate that. If I ever come across any more tricks, I will definitely share. This may also turn out to be helpful. I got burn marks on the outside. Surprise, surprise. The guy is not good with a router. Really not good with anything, but I'm still working at it anyway. I'm trying to make these cutting boards here for gifts for people, and I'm going to work my way through it. Well, let's try the same process with these edge burns here. Again, we're going to take a little bit of mineral oil, just a little dab of it, and rub it on the corner here. We'll see how this works. I've never tried it here in a corner, but gee whiz, it would work. It would be really great. All right. Yep, this is hard maple and what do they call it? Purple heart. Yeah, it's really hard material. Really good to work with, though it's kind of fun. So anyway, let's give it 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. So I am making end-grained cutting boards, and frankly, without the internet and all the nice people, nice guys and gals that show them all their tricks and processes on YouTube, I would have never been able to make this. So hopefully I'm giving back a little bit and showing you something new. And if not, well, maybe you run across mine and find out something you didn't know before. Hopefully it'll work out for you. Good luck to your project. Good luck to you on your project. So it's been about 5 minutes here. I'm going to just try the edge and see if we can clean this up here. Very nice and simple, nice light touch here, not really pressing down much. Just giving it a quick spin here, looks like it's coming out pretty good. First time I've tried it this way. I'm sure I probably could have grabbed a piece of sandpaper and got that off eventually, but I may have had to take off a lot more material and make things uneven. And I am using a food grade mineral oil here because eventually I'm going to be using it on the entire board. That's going to be the final finish. So that might be something that you might want to keep in mind as well. Anyway, I hope this helped you. And again, if you found this helpful, press like, subscribe. And again, I thank you. Thank you for visiting the Creaky Geek channel. Have a good day. Good luck on your projects.